We'll guide you through how to move Steam games to another hard drive or drive. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Steam. So for whatever reason you want to go and move Steam games to another hard drive. Maybe you're running out of space on the hard drive where they're currently all installed and you want to go and start moving them so you can go and free up some space. It's quite common that at the moment you've got your Steam games installed where Windows is installed on the same drive. And so therefore that drive fills up really quickly and you want to go and free up some space. What we want to do is go and head to the top left and you can go and press Steam like so. Now what you want to do is go down and you can go and find the option for settings and go and open them up just here. Next, come down Steam settings. You need to go to storage like so. You can go and see your drive. If you've currently got multiple, you can select it and you need to go through here and go and press add drive at the bottom. You may not currently have the drive added that you want to go and move the games to. So you can click there. Then in here, you can go and choose the drive you want to go and add. So you can press let me choose another location and press add if needed. Then you can go over to the left, you may scroll down, press this PC, and you can then go and select the drive you want to go and add. Otherwise, you may just see it in this list here. Then when you've got it selected, you can press add. What will then happen is it will go and appear in this list here. But for now, we need to go and find the Steam game you want to go and move. So you can go through your different drives here. I want to go and move these two, so I can then go and select them. You can just do one if you want to as well. With them selected, you can press move in the bottom right, and you can then choose where you want to go and move them to. And then I can go and press move, and then you can wait for them to go and complete. Of course, the larger the game and the files are, the longer this will take. This is relatively small. It's around 4 or 5 gigabytes. The download was anyway. So just go be patient. Of course, you can do other things on your computer in the meantime. You may go and get a Windows security pop-up. I needed to agree there too. And now this is a lot faster and it's now been moved. Then if I select at the top here and select new volume D, you're going to see they're now there.